Okay, mathematicians, welcome back. So today we're going to do a number string again, but the focus of our number string today is to practice our ability to make tens. So we're going to start off by using the number sentence. And again, you're going to say, Ms. Juarez, we know it. Don't tell us. The 8 and 2 make what? 10. Great work. But now for the next number sentences, I really want you to keep this number fact in your head when solving the other number sentences to see if you can use this knowledge and not count by ones. So what I'm saying, or what I'm hoping, is in the next few number sentences that I show you, you don't have to go back and use the 8, because a lot of the numbers are going to have 8 at the beginning, to solve the number sentences. I'm hoping that you can use this knowledge that 8 and 2 make 10 to make the rest of the number sentences easier without having to go all the way back to 0, count to 8, and then count on. So let's see what you can do. So we already know that 8 and 2 make 10. So let's see if you can use this knowledge to solve the next number sentence. Don't shout out. Turn and talk and tell someone that's near you. Maybe invite them over if they're not there with you yet, to see if you can work together to solve 8 plus 5. Okay, take a few seconds. Don't forget to use your knowledge up here in solving this problem right here. Okay, mathematicians, what's the answer? 13. Now let's see one way that you could have used your knowledge that 8 and 2 make 10 to help you solve this number sentence. Ready? Some of you may have remembered that a 5 can be broken down into 2 and 3. Wait, I see that number sentence in here. Look, we have 8 plus 2, just like what we had here. So if you had broken the numbers down like that, then you could have remembered that 8 plus 2 leads to 10. And if you just add 3 more, then that would lead to 13. Did you see how we use our knowledge, our number fact knowledge, that 8 plus 2 leads to 10 to help solve this number sentence? Well, now let's see if we can use the same knowledge from up here, or what we just learned from this number sentence, to solve the next one. Ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Before you tell the person next to you what you think the answer is, try and reframe your thinking and focus on these two number sentences, and share with the person next to you what is the same and what is different about these two number sentences. What is the same about 8 plus 5, and what is different about 8 plus 5 and 8 plus 4. Okay, so I'm thinking some of you might have noticed that 8 plus 5 and 8 plus 4, the only difference is the 5 and the 4. 4 is less than 5 by 1. So if you are a mathematician that was using not your ability to make tens actually, but your ability to notice patterns in numbers, you might have said, wait, if this number sentence right here, 8 plus 5 and 8 plus 4, if the only difference is that 1, then you can probably just take that 13, take away 1, and you would get the answer 12 for 8 plus 4, if you were using your ability to use patterns. If not, if you were really focusing, like I asked you, on making tens, you might have used a similar strategy where you took the 4, made it into 2 and 2, found that number within the number sentence of a plus 4, and then just added the remaining number to the 10 to get 12. There are lots of ways to show our thinking, and I'm just impressed that you are doing this work in your homework. I see some of you doing this work in your homework, so great job. Okay, and then the last number sentence for today is going to be 8 plus 7. We're going to put a line between most of these just so we can refocus. I'll give you a few more seconds. Okay, so what's the answer, mathematicians? 15. Great job. Now, again, if you are focusing on the strategy of making tens, some of you might have, again, seen that 7, try to use friendly numbers to break it apart. So you might have used 5 and 2, because 5 and 2, if you put them together, make 7. Found that number fact of 8 plus 2 makes 10 within it. I'm going to cross it out just to make sure that when I go back and see what numbers I haven't added yet, it's easier. And then saw that there was the 5 remaining that you needed to add, and that led you to 15. Again, some of you might have done it that way. Another way that I still see students solving these number sentences is by using their fingers, which is great because you're using the tools that are right in front of you to do math. That is awesome work. So let's see if we were to use fingers to solve this number sentence, it would look like 8, and then add 7 fingers. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did you see how I use my fingers to solve that number sentence? Whichever way you do it, don't forget to also try to make tens when solving your work, because that's going to help you when going to second grade, where they really push you to use friendly numbers to do your math. Okay? Thank you for working with me today. I can't wait to work with you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.